Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 here in Fuzhou, and I'm heading out of this hotel. We're going to a smaller town nearby that supposedly has hot springs. So we're gonna go walk some kind of forest mountain hike, and then in the evening we're gonna go to the hot springs. So we've arrived, as you can see. A lot of fog here, so I don't think we're gonna get any good shots of the mountains, which is unfortunate. Still raining a bit, got our raincoats on, so we're gonna wander around, I guess, kind of. We've made it. Apparently this is a pond.
Yeah.
There's nothing to see here.
I cannot see anything.
You can't see anything. We can go wander down the path, even though it says do not continue, danger, do not close to. Do not close to. All right.
这边只剩1瓶了，要的话去我家拿还有，就说拿多只剩这1瓶了，家里大桶里面还很多。
哦，那你要去家拿要多长时间？You have your banana?
I have a banana.
Okay.
I'm eating it. It's very sweet. Hey guys, it's about 10:30 now, and we finally made it to the hotel. And as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. I'm about to head over to the hot springs and check it out. And once that's done, I'm gonna head back to the hotel room, and I'll show you what the hotel room looks like. It's actually really nice. And in the hotel, I also have a big hot spring tub where supposedly the hot spring water gets pumped into the hotel room. So I'll show you that. And then it's bed for me because it's been a long day. I was up at 6 o'clock and now it's past 10. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll show you guys, and then that'll be it for today. So I just was in the hot springs, and now I'm heading back to my room, which is in the VIP lounge. And then when I get inside, I'll show you a little bit of what the room looks like. And then it's bed for me. It's late. And the main focus here in this room is you can fill up the hot springs, I guess the bathtub with the hot spring water, and then you can float in it if you want. The only thing is this is really, really large, and supposedly it takes a couple hours maybe to fill up. So I probably won't fill it up because it's kind of not worth it. When you come in to the actual bedroom, here you go. You have a nice big bed. You got a little table here with some tea, and you got a TV. You got a safe here if you want to put your, oh actually this is a mini fridge, so, but it's locked. I hadn't tried to open it yet, so it's locked. You have some other stuff, some closet space, and then you have a bathroom. Bathroom's okay. Nothing too outstanding about that, but the main focus of this is obviously this little jacuzzi area where you can fill it up and sit here in your hotel room and enjoy the hot springs, I guess all night or whenever you want if you take the time to fill it up. But again, I probably won't, considering it takes so long. That's about it, guys. I'm gonna head to bed. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tomorrow we are finishing our Fuzhou trip. But they didn't tell me what we were gonna do because the itinerary is not set. So check back when the video's up to find out what I do tomorrow in this exciting trip.